Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. I'm excited to talk about this shoe, man. I'm really excited. Got an on-feet in-hand review of the Yeezy Slide ONYX joint, man. One a personal size at corporate. If you're from the Cincinnati area or the Indianapolis area, it's like a Foot Locker basically, but way better in my personal opinion. That's just how I feel. That's just me. So one on corporate, you know what I'm saying? They especially sell everything else. They sell shoes, they sell they actual corporate hoodies. You know what I'm saying? They doing their thing, man. So shout out to corporate for sure. Always showing love. You know what I'm saying? I gotta rock my people's hoodie. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's a super comfortable hoodie, all black joint. It matched the Yeezy Slide ONYX joints, man. So comment down below, man. Let me know y'all won the Yeezy Slides this morning. Caught a loss. You know what I'm saying? Let your boy know down below. Also today, the Orchard came out today, and also the Pure came out. I have the Pure already. I didn't do a review on that already. My bad, my apologies. But I'm gonna give y'all my personal opinion since I've been wearing the Pure Yeezy Slides. I give you my personal opinion, what you shouldn't do. You know what I'm saying? Mistakes and all that good stuff that people normally make on Yeezy Slides that people didn't know about. All y'all know about all that information in this video. So make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new now. Come on now, so hit that subscribe button. Roll to that 5K. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for showing love support as always. My returning family members was popping, was good. I'm just in a good mood. Man. Just in a great mood. And also follow me on all my social media platforms down below. I appreciate that as well. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get to the video. New colorway. So it's an all black Yeezy Slide, and Yeezy Slides are super comfortable. I wear my Yeezy Slides about 24/7. Majority of the time, if I don't play no shoes on, I just put my Yeezy Slides on, my phone runners. But most of the time, you'll see me in my Yeezy Slides. All the good stuff. We're gonna get that Yeezy Slide out, man. So here it go. Corporate. Like I said, shout out to y'all for sure. Much love to you. And my boy Matt's signature right there. Got a nice little with the MT, I guess that's what it say right there. So you know. But yeah, shout out to corporate, man, for sure, man. Hey, let's get these bad boys out. Yeezy Slide. So Yeezy Slide made by Adidas. Your boy got that personal size 12, you heard me? Yeezy Slide got that personal size. Let's get these bad boys out, man. Bang, here they go, man. The Yeezy Slide ONYX joints, man.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth.
And the all black joints, man. Super clean. Nothing too crazy when you go too much detail in the shoe. Nothing too crazy about it. I think majority of the time people want to know how they run and what size should you get. So I'm gonna go talk about all that right now. So give me 1 second, let me get the other slide out. Ooh-wee, here they go. The Yeezy Slide ONYX joints, man. Like I said, the Pure came out and the Orchard came out today. So comment down below, man. Let me know. You got the black joints, you got the Pure, the Orchard. Let your boy know down below. I want the Orchard too as well. I got the Pure, and I got these now, so I want the Orchard next. So, hey, if you got a size 12, let your boy know down below. We can work something out, you feel me? But really, on detail, the shoe is really all black. You know what I'm saying? The outsole is all black. But the outsole, basically the whole shoe is Boost, by the way. In case y'all didn't know, Adidas Boost. So you know how the Boost be on like the bottom of the I can't even think right now, of the Yeezy 350 or the 700, anything like that. The outsole, majority of the shoe, like when you see foam, anything like this, foam runners with Yeezy Slides, made out of Boost material from the Adidas. So that's why they be feeling so comfortable, like you're walking on clouds. For real. I got my Pures on right now. I'm doing this video. Walking on clouds, you heard me? Let me stop playing, man. But also, you got your Adidas logo right here. So not too crazy. We're going to detail of the Yeezy Slide. I guess I think these people want to know how comfortable they are in the size run. So, like I said, Yeezy Slides, the foam runners, I throw them on before I throw a shoe on, even though they are all comfortable. It's just something about the foam runners and the Yeezy slides that just make it super, super comfortable for me. Like I said, walking on clouds for me, to be honest with you. But the Yeezy slides, like I said, I normally wear 11 and a half. The size 12 fits me perfectly. When I do the on feet, y'all gonna see how perfect they fit on my feet. They fit me perfectly. So if you wear a 9, don't get your true size. Go up a whole size, because they don't have half sizes. I'm gonna say that again. They don't have half sizes. So if you wear a 9, don't get your true size 9. Go a whole size up. The reason why, because the Yeezy slides run small. So when you put the Yeezy slides on, like when you put them on, after a while, they start to widen out your feet. But when you first put them on, they're gonna feel stiff. You just gotta break them in, wear them a couple times, and then they're gonna start widening out a little bit better and get more comfortable. They're already a comfortable slide already, but when you start putting them on, you know what I'm saying, multiple times, multiple wears, the slide gonna start widening out more. It's gonna start, you know what I'm saying, feeling more comfortable. That's from my experience from the pure Yeezy slides, because I always wear them, and they felt the same when I put these on. I'm like, damn, this feel funny. When I put my pures on, I'm like, oh, they widen up to my feet. But they feel they run the same size. It's just after a while, they're starting to wide out more. Easy slide your foot in, all that good stuff, man. So Yeezy slides, make sure you go a whole size up from your actual size. So if you wear a 12, go ahead and get that 13. If you wear a 10, go ahead and get that 11. I'm trying to tell y'all, do not get your true size. If you wear 10, 10 and a half, get an 11. Don't get no 10. I'm trying to tell you, the 10 is not going to fit you. So go ahead and get that size 11. So y'all get my concept? Y'all get what I'm trying to say? Okay, just making sure y'all paying attention. But let's go and get our own feet going, man. I'm going to come back, talk about the resale, because right now the resale for my size, last time I checked on Gold, was about $300. Retail $70. I can't get rid of these bad boys. I got them for retail. These staying with me. I'm just saying though, if you did hit, you ain't really big on slides, you made a nice profit today. Hope you know what I'm saying. If you ain't no wrong with reselling these if you're not into Yeezy slides, make a nice profit. But it's just me. I like being comfortable on my feet and all that good stuff, man. So I completely understand. But let's go and get on feet going, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love. Let's get this on feet going, man. Let's get it.
I only rep for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 gang. I hate with the realest, go beats like a realist. The world is gon' feel this and shit from the heart. God is my witness, it's ain't superstition. We striving position, we playing our part. We handle the mission, we need the commission. Don't need your permission, been good from the start. So fuck your opinion, we built for conditions. We thought in positions, we running the charts.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. Like I said, Yeezy slides is just super comfortable, man. You can throw these on with an actual casual outfit and go out for real. To be honest, like you can throw these on with like some sweats. That's my typical wear. The type of pants I have on right now, with I'm saying like a hoodie and a fitted on, something simple to go out with. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I just like being comfortable while I go out majority of the time. I hate wearing jeans though. I really do hate wearing jeans. I love wearing like joggers, sweatpants, hoodies, and all that good stuff, man. So I like to be comfortable. That's just me. But like I said, Yeezy slides, go a whole size up from your actual size because they run small. Like I said, if you wear a 10, get that size 11. Do not get a 10. They don't have half sizes. So if you wear a 10, get that size 11. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all gonna thank me later. I'm trying to tell y'all. I didn't make that mistake at first. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people, did at first when they get Yeezy slides, they get their true size, like, I can't fit it. They be salty. Reason why, because I went to a store, boutique, tried the Yeezy slide on 11. It didn't, 11 fit, but it didn't feel comfortable. Like my toe and my back of my heel was hanging out. I'm like, let me go 12. The 12 fit me perfectly fine. And then after a while, I got my Pures. Like I said, after a while wearing them, it's starting to wide out and get more comfortable. So just letting y'all know to go a whole size up in the Yeezy slides, man. The reason why I keep repeating it, because a lot of people ain't gonna pay attention to it. They just care about the slide. So that's why I keep repeating it. You know what I'm saying? So, but all black Yeezy slide, definitely a dope colorway. What's the next color they might come out with? Do they have some all red ones? I don't think they got all red Yeezy slides, do they? Interesting. So what's the next colorway on the Yeezy slides? They did all black. They got the brown, a light brown. They did the green glow. What's the next ones? Some all red ones? Maybe some all blue ones? Who knows? Never know what Yeezy gonna do, man. So, but I got the black and the light brown. Trying to get the dark brown. So, basically got the primary colors for real. You know what I'm saying? The solid colors, I should say. But, hey, like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all picked up the Oxy, the Orchard, or the Pure joints, man. I got these, so I'm excited. Definitely stay in the collection for sure, man. Appreciate corporate for sure, man. Showing love, support as always. I appreciate y'all too, man. My family members appreciate y'all showing love, support as always as well. Like and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on all my platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. That is it for this video, man. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Once again, like and subscribe if you're new. Catch y'all on the video, man. Gerald1 is out. Peace.